Good evening, friends. So tomorrow weekly expiry of Nifty is there. Along with this Nifty, I will be explaining Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty and Sensex levels also. Firstly, the Nifty levels will be 24,290 to 24,198. This 100-point zone yesterday I mentioned, that is the support level. Even though if you see selling opportunity, don't be into hurry into selling opportunity I mentioned. But as you see, you can see the biggest candle compared to all 15 minutes candle. This is the biggest candle. You can see this says that the buyers are very strong compared to sellers. So for tomorrow the support level will be this one. If market is opening flat or a slight gap up, if it is opening 24,450 above, then we can expect a huge momentum upside tomorrow. If it is opening gap down, if it is not crossing the today low, and it should not cross the today low, whatever the low has made in Nifty, if it is crossing also, it should not close below this low. If it is closing below this low, you can see the momentum will be in downside. If it is closing below this level, there will be a bigger momentum in downside. If it is closing 24,450 above with a good volume, tomorrow also we can expect a good momentum upside. So Bank Nifty, I will be moving on to Bank Nifty. As I mentioned from 2 days, there is a range. Today it has tested that range. So tomorrow, if it is opening flat or a gap down, if it is not crossing the whatever the today low it has made, if it is crossing also, if it should not close below this level. If it is not closing, then my view will be in upside only. So for tomorrow, 54,400 will be the support level and the resistance will be 54,700. If it is opening above that 700 level and closing that above level with a good volume first 15 minutes, then we can expect a big momentum. It can reach up to 56,098. This is the target. More than this target also it can go. So tomorrow we can see, like from 3 days I am saying there will be a momentum in upside, but market is not giving that momentum. Tomorrow I am expecting that momentum will happen. So there is one more thing. You can see previously today it has made one high. So even though it has crossed, but it has not closed that above that level. So we can feel that buyers are very strong compared to sellers. This is also one major point. So next I will be moving on to Fin Nifty level. So in Bank Nifty it has tested that purple line, but in Fin Nifty it has not tested that level. I am expecting 26,800 above. It will be closing in coming days. I am expecting it may cross tomorrow only, or in coming days it can go up to 26,800 above. It can close. So you can see, as I am saying in this video, so you can see in coming days 26,800 level in coming days only. So if it is not closing in this week, for the next week it can close at this level. You can see like easy. So in Bank Nifty, whatever the high has today, it has not closed that above, but you can see it has closed above this level in Fin Nifty. So now we can analyze that the buyers are very strong compared to sellers. So for tomorrow 26,000 level will be support level, and the resistance will be 26,200 first resistance. If it is opening a flat, so this will be the acting resistance and support levels. 26,000 and 26,200 will be a support. 26,200 will be a resistance and 26,000 will be a support level. So if it is opening in between this range, so this will be the support. If it is opening 200 above with a good volume, then market won't give chance to trade only. So tomorrow I'm expecting a good momentum. So next I will be moving on to Sensex level. As I mentioned from 3 days, the support level will be from 80,122 to 79,876. So you can see the price rejection and it has closed above level. So for tomorrow 80,800 will be resistance and the support will be 80,400. So these 400 points will be acting as that range if it is opening flat. If it is opening 80,800 above, so my view will be in buying side. So if it is opening below 400 also, I am not interested in selling side. When it whatever the 15 minutes candle it has created, if it should close below this level, then only I am interested in selling side. So as of now I am not interested in selling sell. I will see for buying opportunity. So this is my complete analysis of these 4 indexes. Tomorrow I am expecting a good momentum in upside. If you like my analysis, please give me one like. Thank you friends.